So when I moved up here to North Carolina, in the Appalachian Mountains, I noticed the radon was really high in the house. So we called around and around and around. There is no one in this area that does radon, what do you call it, mediation or something. But we found a guy down in, well, a company called SWAT, S-W-A-T, and they do radon mitigation. And it took them 2 hours to get here. And have a look-see. Nice new big pump. Goes right up and over the top of the house. And the radon in the house is already down below 2. Yay that. Alright, God bless y'all. Miss you. I got a couple videos in the can. I just got to get around to doing them. But appreciate y'all.